Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as syllabus of interview, syllabus for campus placements as well as different Udemy courses coupons. So in our channel you will get all of these varieties. So if you have come first time in our channel and you have interest in these topics, then you can subscribe our channel. So today's topic is Cognizant Recruitment 2021 updated test pattern and syllabus and selection process. We will discuss in detail in this video. Don't skip this video. I will discuss every aspect. What are the questions come in 2020, what are the logical questions come, what are the automata fix questions come and aptitude questions comes. I will discuss and also give the solution with that questions. So stay tuned in this video. It's very much helpful for you. So in 2021, the pattern we are expecting that Cognizant will conduct this year also the drive for the online test through virtually through the AMCAT portal, okay, AMCAT platform. The first round will be held through the AMCAT platform. The test topics will be, it is divided into four sections. One is the quantitative ability, another one is the logical reasoning, another one is the verbal ability. This fourth part is automata fix, which is very much important for the CSIT students. And the number of questions will come from quantitative ability is 16, the time duration is 16 minutes, logical reasoning it will come 24 questions, 35 minutes, from verbal ability 22 questions will come, 18 minutes you will get, and for automata fix you will get 7 questions with 20 minutes time. So this is the on-campus pattern, online test pattern for the Cognizant in 2021 drive, okay. So what is the basic target area or basic syllabus for this test I will discuss now. That from quantitative aptitude you need to focus on the time and work chapter, number system, profit or loss, percentage, mixture and allegation, HCF and LCA, probability, logarithms and simple interest and compound interest, okay. From logical reasoning you need to focus on syllogism, coding, decoding, number series, data arrangements, blood relations, directions, data sufficiency, data interpretation and analogy. And from verbal ability the chapters you need to follow: error spotting, sentence correction, idioms and phrases, prepositions, speech and voices, tenses and articles, synonyms, antonyms and conjunctions. Okay, for automata fix section, you need to keep yourself updated with the knowledge of programming language like C, C++, Java. Some of the frequently asked challenge in automata fix part are the reduce the length of the code without altering its function, like find and resolve logical errors, find the errors in syntax and resolve them. This type of question they will give in the CTS automata fix portion. And the selection process will be like in three pattern or three steps. That first one is the online test. If you selected from this online test, then technical interview will happen. After technical interview you will be taken to the HR interview, okay. So then the pattern is Cognizant Recruitment 2021 preparation. You have to do uh, by practicing the aptitude questions, reasoning questions and coding challenges. I will now discuss the previous year question for aptitude. So in 2020 we have seen that in quantitative aptitude the questions mostly have come, total 16 questions come for 16 minutes time. So mostly the questions come from divisibility, HCF and LCF. You can see the expected questions also this year come one or two. The difficulty level will be medium or high or easy. HCF, LCF, it will be easy, 1 to 2 questions. Number and decimal fraction, 2 to 3 questions will come, medium level of difficulty. Profit and loss, obviously practice these chapters where the 2 to 3 questions will come. Those chapters are very much important, like number, decimal fractions, profit and loss, time, speed and distances, logarithms. These are the hit chapters, okay. From there you will get medium to easy level questions, but in profit and loss you will get some difficulty level questions, okay. And you have to practice simple and compound interest. There you will get medium level questions, inverse, logarithms, permutation and combinations, probability, easy to medium level questions. So basically I will now show you few questions which have come in the set 1 of Cognizant aptitude test. You can see the first question: in election between two candidates, one got 55% of total valid votes and got 20% invalid votes. So at the end of the day, when the total number of votes were counted, the total number was found to be 7500. So what was the total number of valid votes that winning candidate got? Like the answer will be D. You can check our explanation also, like since 20% of the vote were invalid, so 80% were valid. So 80% of 7,500 is 6,000 votes were valid. One candidate got 55% total valid votes. Then second candidate must got 45% of the vote. So 0.45 into the 6,000 votes, we will get number D answer, that 3700. So in this manner you will get these questions also. This video will be a long video because I will discuss every part, so stay tuned in this video. Next question is a whole number in which when divided by 4 given 4 gives us 3 remainder. What will be the remainder when 2n is divided by 4? So the answer will be 2, because n equal to, we have to write the equation that 4q plus 3, because what is given here, a number n which is divided by 4, it gives a remainder as 3. So 4q will be the number, we are multiplying the divisor with that number and we are adding the remainder, so we will get the actual number. Therefore 2n will be must be 8q plus 6, so we will get this equation. Thus we will get 2n is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. Okay. So next question, Raju, Ramu, Razi can do a piece of work in 20, 30, 60 days respectively. Their capacity of doing there, based on that, if Raju is assisted by Ramu, Raji on every third day, then how Raju will complete the work? So here the answer will be 15. How it is coming? So total amount of first count of amount work done in 2 days by Raju. Raju can do a piece of work in 20 days. So in 2 days he can do 1 by 20 into 2, that is 1 by 10 amount of work done by Raju. Ramu and Raji in 1 day, we have to plus all the work done by them in 1 day. Then amount of work done in 3 days is 1 by 10 plus 1 by days 10, that is 1 by 5. So the work will be completed in 3 into 5, that is 15 days. Okay. So fourth question, what is the smallest number when decreased by 8 is divisible by 21, 27, 33 and 55? So we need to find the LCM of the given number, that is 21, 27, 33 and 55, which is coming as 10,395. So we need to add the extra 5, that is it will become 10,403. So this number will be the answer. So here it is not given, so none of the above will be answered. Next question, a tap can fill a bucket in 6 hours. After half of the bucket filled, 3 more similar taps are opened. What is the time taken to fill the bucket completely? So in that manner, time taken by one tap is 3 hours. So part will be 4 taps in 1 hour is 4 into 1 by 6, that is 2/3 of the bucket. The remaining part will be half. The proportionality will be like 2 by 3 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 is to x. So by doing solving that equation, we are getting 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay. So answer will be B. Next question, a reduction of 20% of the price of strawberry enables a person to purchase 12 more for ₹15. So what was the price of 16 strawberries before reduction of the price? So price into consumption is the expenditure. So 15 divided by 8x minus 15 by x will be your equation, equal to 12. By solving that, you will get the 16 strawberries, that 5. So in 5 rupees you will get the 16 strawberries. So in that manner you will get all the questions. So you can take the screenshot of the questions because it will be helpful for you. You can practice this type of patterns. It will come in MCAT questions. So I will not say that similar question you will get, but in that pattern you will get, obviously you will get. So next question has come from ratio and proportion. You can take a screenshot of it. Then another question has come from number system, divisor system, equation. Then next question has come from the average. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of it. Next question is very much important, that is it's come from profit and loss. So practice it very well. I will give the link of this website so that you can get these questions easily. So next we are moving into logical reasoning question. So logical reasoning questions also last year came, and most part have came from, let me show you. Yeah, So from coding deductive logic, 1 to 2 questions, data sufficiency 2 to 3 questions, directional sense 1 to 2 questions. So data sufficiency and selection decision tables and number series, pattern recognition and logical word sequence. These 4 chapters are the main chapter where you will get medium to difficult level questions or easy level questions. So practice it very hard, and also you can practice puzzles, number series, pattern recognition, analogy also. So these are the main important area. So here also I will give the question set. Set 1, it is like some envelopes are gums, some gums are seals, some seals are adhesives. So it's come from syllogism, so you have to practice it, like which conclusion will be right. Obviously answer A, that is only 3, some adhesives are seals, this is right. So you can take the screenshot of the questions, or I will also give this link also. Okay, so in this manner you can practice the questions. So I think it's very much helpful for you. So if you really like this video, I want you guys subscribe my channel, because it gives us motivation, and I am making a target of keeping the like in this video as 1000 likes. Okay, do share and subscribe our channel, it gives us motivation. Now I will discuss the most important part of this exam, that is the automata fixed question. So it's very much updated pattern now. So what is actually automata fix? Automata fix is the new assessment that taken by Cognizant. It has included online test. It provides the program to the candidate. You have to understand the program, the error in the program. It's a candidate skill of being able to understand the code written by someone else. You have to find the bugs, also use the code to implement new functionality. So you will basically get here 3 type of question. One is logical, then compilation and code views. What is the means of logical? Candidate needs to require to fix all the logical errors, like if you have given a condition and if you have given a output as 20, okay, then you are seeing that in the logic it's not written correctly, then you have to update that logic. Second type comes as compilation, that candidate needs to correct the syntax of the given code, like somewhere they will not give the semicolon in case of C. It's very much important, at the end of the line you need to give semicolon. In case of Java, sometimes you will see that they are not putting the brackets, or they have mistakenly placed some wrong function or some case sensitive case sensitive names in the function. So this type of compilation you will get. And third part is coming as code reuse. Candidate needs to compare the given code by reusing the existing function. So it's a bit tougher section, I will say, but if you practice thoroughly you will surely get it. So the first question I'm giving you, which has also comes in the previous year, that check the syntax. Okay, so from here you will get that the syntax is a infinite loop, so it will not print anything. You have to check the syntax here. Okay, so in that manner you will get that that type of question. You can take a screenshot of it. Next question is coming as a find the factorial of a given number. uh, you have to check the output here, you have to find the output here. Okay, next question is coming, there is a pattern given, you have to print the pattern. Then here the part of code is given, so we have to check, or we have to just decode it, that the particular pattern is coming right or no, wrong by this code. Okay, so here the for loop is not right, it should be updated with this logic. In that manner you will get the question. Next question comes that find the greatest of 3 numbers. It's very common question, I think all the IT students and CS students know about it. Then the question comes, fix the error, recompile and match against the output provided. Then the part comes code reuse, that is convert binary to decimal using the existing function. So here the function is given, you need to modify this function by typing your code here. Okay, so you can take the screenshot about this answer. Okay, so next question is print the prime numbers from an array. up to given value n by using the existing function. Okay, so this is the question, you have to print the prime number, so answer will be this one. So these are the main hit area, and I have discussed in this video a detail about our coding, cognizant automata fixed section as well as quantitative aptitude logical reasoning portion. And we have discussed the questions come in 2020 patterns of 2021. I think it's very much helpful for you. So in this manner I will prepare the videos for other companies also, so stay tuned with our channel so that you will get the next series also. I have started to prepare this type of interview series and syllabus series for the campus placements for different companies. So if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button, it gives us motivation, and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And also if you have doubt, share it with your comment in our comment section, and you can follow us in our Instagram profile, that is Job Updates by Varma. With your questions you can directly DM us there. Thank you.